inspection of the Vf-6Ss 2021 with 4th and 5th axis. The 5th axis TRT 310 can be sold separately with a mist collection, MPG, tool probe, and part probe, but we haven't found the tool probe, so that may not be included. Here's the hours. And we're going to demonstrate the tables. There's no program in the machine right now. This machine's been running aluminum and some plastics and nylon. This is the table move back forth in the X. Very quiet machine. Okay, now we'll move it into the Y. Okay, and then we'll move into the Z. Hardly hear it moving. Looks like it has P-Cool and a halo spray for chips. Okay, and I'm going to move around to the side, and then we'll do the RPMs and the tool change. They have the door interlocks on, so I have to come to the side to film this. This is the runner saw probe system, and I'm going to be about 3 feet away, and RPM will start off at 5,000. There's 5,000. Super quiet. 8,000. And 12,000. And we'll do a tool index. Okay, go around the side, show you the inside of the cabinet, and you can see it's set up for 4th and 5th. Vector drive, set up for, I think it's 240 volt, but it's a multi-tap transformer, and it's got the backup thumb drive. Coolant system, dual pump. The vise can be included or not included. And here's the TRT 310 that can be sold with it or not. Extremely clean, little use. And this concludes the inspection of the Vf-6Ss 2021.